How to unforget a Bluetooth device on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Navigate to the option of Bluetooth. Open it. Toggle on for the option of Bluetooth. Now here you're going to find this section of My Devices. These are the list of devices that you are paired with. And below that you will find this section of Other Devices. Now over here you're going to find the available Bluetooth devices. After your Bluetooth is enabled, it will scan for a discoverable Bluetooth device. Over here, you're going to find the devices. Now, in order to unforget a Bluetooth device on iPhone, first you'll need to connect to it. Press and hold the device that you want to pair to. After you pair with any device, it's going to appear in the My Device list. In order to unforget a Bluetooth device on iPhone, you don't have to do anything. You just have to pair for it. Once you pair for it, it's going to appear in the My Device list. But if you want to forget it, you can click on the device. You'll see this option, Forget this device. Clicking on this option, the device will be removed from My Devices. Well, this way you can easily unforget a Bluetooth device on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.